What's Gucci, everybody, and today I'm going to be reviewing this reveiw gun. It's super cool. It shoots 2 at a time, and let's get into the review.
Fuck that shit. Man, I don't remember none of that shit. Where your ass was at, dog, with niggas wouldn't feed. Where your ass was at, dog, with bitches didn't eat. Where your ass was at, dog, with niggas tried to run off. Where your ass at, dog, made me put his gun out.
So this gun is really cool. It has one giant tack rail up here, sights that flip down and up. Those are pretty cool. Orange safety barrel sight. You prime it from this, you pull it back, and it shoots 2. Here's the safety, the trigger. This is the mag release, and it shoots this really long one. So I guess we could get on to the firing test. Alright, so let's go look for some targets. Wait, where are the targets? Oh shoot, I think we're gonna go look for some more because they're not there back there. So let's go look for some more. So apparently my cameraman thought it would be a good idea to hide my targets and make it like a scavenger hunt or something. So now we gotta go look for them. Let's go. What's Gucci? Alright, let's go look for him. Follow me, everybody. So, we're in the wilderness right now, as you can see. Right now, we're looking for wild water bottles, so just looking for some right now. They're attracted to like damp, moist places, so we're gonna have to look very closely. Down there. Let's go. So, while we're down here, I guess it's good to get a little education. This right here is a Saratoga nettle, very nutritious. Oh, I was incorrect. Guys, I think I found rescue. Over here! Save us! So rescue didn't come for me, so oh my gosh. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. I think I can shoot it from here. Wait, we don't want to already shoot our targets back. I think I can use it. I got it! It's good. I got it. Oh my gosh. We got one. Look at its water bottliness. Alright, let's get shooting. So now that we're here for the firing test, let's go shoot this thing. So as you can see, this gun is very accurate. So this is a very good gun. As you can see in the firing test, it was really accurate. So I recommend getting this gun, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah.